do I need the spool holder with the Bambu Lab P2S combo? Now, when I first got it, my Bambu Lab P2S wouldn't shove all the way back, as the spool holder wouldn't allow me to push it right the way back, and I always thought, can I use it without? And the answer is yes. Just remove it like this, and now I'll be able to get it in that space I wanted it to get into, and I'll be able to just use it with the AMS. Or if you're after something to come along the side so it doesn't make the footprint bigger, there is many 3D models within Maker World. However, the simple answer to the question, do you need the spool holder always on? And that is no, you don't. So hopefully this video is a quick one and helps you out. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.